The last type of factoring we need to learn for this chapter is difference of squares. Now here's our formula of a difference for squares, and what it's telling us is we can find the square root of the first term and square root of the last term. And it has to be subtraction between. So, I take a look at our very first example here. Can I find the square root of x squared? What would it be? X, great. And what would the square root of our last term be? 3. Okay. So from there, it becomes very simple. We just have two brackets. The first term becomes the first term in each bracket. And the last term is the last term in each bracket. The only difference is we put a plus in one and a subtraction sign in the other. So let's try another example. Can we find the square root of 32x squared? What is it? What's the first step of factoring? Common factoring. Can I find a common factor first?
Yeah.
What?
2.
2 comes out nicely. Okay. So let's try 2. 2 would give us 16x squared minus 4. Great. Okay. And I actually could factor this even farther. What could I have taken out as a common factor? Even higher number. 8. Okay. And it's okay if we did it that way. We'd have eventually got to where we needed to go. But I want us to go the right way. So let's take 8 out. We take 8 out. That gives us what?
That gives you 1. 4, and that gives you 1.
That's 1. Great. So this is now a difference of squares. What's the square root of 4x squared? 2x. And what's the square root of 1? 1. Great. So when we go to factor this, we have our two brackets. The first term is the first term in each bracket, so 2x. And the last term is the last term in each bracket. And what operations do we put? Plus and a minus. And that's it.
So why is it added plus? I mean,